Recovered an NFC file from an old Nokia phone backup? This contains your contacts, messages, and settings from the classic Nokia era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access these Nokia phone backup copy files. My experience tells me that some NFC files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. NFC files are backup copy files created by Nokia PC Suite and Nokia Suite applications storing complete phone backups from classic Nokia mobile devices. They contain contacts, messages, calendar entries, settings, and other phone data, enabling restoration to the same or replacement Nokia handsets. NFC files use a proprietary backup container format developed by Nokia, storing structured phone data, including contact records, SMS messages, calendar appointments, call logs, and device settings. The format may use compression and encryption to protect personal data within the backup archive. For direct reading of NFC content, the best choice is Nokia PC Suite developed by Nokia. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows can't expand backup archives, so specialized backup software must be used for review. We are checking the software list for a guaranteed opener. Right-click your NFC file and select Open With. If Nokia PC Suite is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We must verify every application. If your NFC file will not open yet, do not panic. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, opening in Nokia Suite. Install Nokia Suite or the older Nokia PC Suite if compatible with your operating system. Connect a Nokia phone or open the application without device connection. Use the Restore from Backup function to load the NFC file revealing contacts, messages, and other backed up data for review. Next, extracting contact data. Use third-party Nokia backup extractors like Nokia Backup Extractor or Phone Rescue to access NFC contents without official Nokia software. These tools parse the proprietary format and export contacts, messages, and other data to standard formats like vCard CSV or text files. Finally, migrating to modern phones. Convert extracted Nokia contacts to vCard VCF format, then import into modern smartphones. Most current Android, iPhone, and Windows phones support vCard contact import through their contacts applications. SMS messages may require specialized tools or services for migration to current platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.